Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to this one. So this one we have y minus s. So we put the negative for the both sides. And we have negative v equals to negative s plus y minus number 2. So we put negative number 2 go to the left. And now we have negative v plus 2 equal to y minus s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have negative dv over ds. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one we have number 1, so we have dy over ds. This one that is about variable, so we have number 1. Next, I will put negative number 1 go to the left. So s minus y plus 2 we change by v. Y minus s we change by this one. Dy over ds we change by this one. And now we need to simplify everything in here. So 1 I will put in here. So 2 minus 1 we cancel. Next, the negative side I will put in here. So this one I will put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we multiply by v on numerator and denominator. Now I will concentrate on this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2v dv. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. V dv we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have s. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.